This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents Comet ISON is finally on the Sechi Hi2 ahead cameras. Asterisk, exclamation point, question mark, exclamation point, question mark, exclamation point. Good morning, sunshine. You look great today. It's gonna be a wonderful day, and we need to celebrate. It's only 4 more days till default. So let's get this party started. For super simplification purposes, we'll just go ahead and call this the Hi2 camera. As has been mentioned for months and months and months, Comet ISON should be visible on the stereo Sechi Hi2 ahead camera starting on October 10th. And then there would be like a 3-day delay while they get the data and put it up, which brings us to today. And so I'm gonna go ahead and say, hey, look, Comet ISON is on the camera, and then we'll now should be able to be seen until the middle of January 2014. Well, I'm gonna have to ask you guys, okay, which one is Comet ISON? Is it that giant globular galaxy-looking thing, which is not labeled and seems to be several days ahead of Comet ISON, but is on the predicted path that Comet ISON would take? Or is Comet ISON below it? Like, if you will look underneath that little spaceship bar thingy, if you'll notice there's like a straight up and down line, and usually the HI cameras will create that line with like a planet or some type of solar body. It does it with comets sometimes. And so if it's doing the line for the bottom thingy, A, we can't even see the bottom thingy, and B, it's on a different path than they predicted. So if that is ISON, A, we can't see it. ISON must be very dark and dusty. B, it's below the normal path that it has taken, so one can only guess that its path and trajectory have changed. That is correct. You heard me. Its path and trajectory have changed. Asterisk. That's only if that is ISON. Well, if ISON's up at the top, then it's ahead, but kind of still on the same path, and it's giant. Or maybe ISON hasn't entered the frame yet. I don't know. I'm hoping that one of you guys can tell me, guys, which one is ISON. This one is simple, easy, doesn't have any answers, really, other than now is the time we should be looking for ISON on this camera, and I'll leave it up to you. I'm dropping it in your lap like a hot jam. Which one is ISON? Where is ISON? Can someone please tell me? All right, thanks. So we can conclude that one of these objects on the screen is Comet ISON, or we can conclude that something drastic has changed and Comet ISON is not on the screen yet. Considering that on this video, October 10th is 95% over since it's on its 2200 hours. It's either one of these objects on the screen or it has changed. Come on, y'all. Let's get together. You guys help me figure this out? Because I don't know, but I would like to know. Excellent. God bless everybody. Let's just go ahead and call this the Hi2 camera. I just wake and baked me some cookies. Chocolate chip with Shrinky Dinks and Jimi Hendrix sprinkles. Well, I'm standing next to a comet. I'll chop it down with the edge of my hand. God bless everyone. Happy Sunday. Stay cool. Default stays away. Peace. But very, very legitimate.